Hey guys, Dr. Cam here with Ground to Overhead PT, coming back to you with your daily body armor. I had a patient come in recently with a pretty bad ankle sprain to the outside part of her ankle, and gave me a thought that it might be a good idea to give you guys an idea of what are some basic concepts, some basic ideas to begin with if this happens to you. So, one of the main things that we want to do is start to restore some of that integrity in balance and proprioception, where your body kind of just knows where it is in space, start to rebuild that stability in the ankle. And one way that I like to do that is just by starting with some very basic balance exercises. So today's exercise is going to be for those that are dealing with some ankle instability. Maybe this is after a recent injury, twisting of the ankle or whatnot, or maybe you have some instability stemming from some other incident that happened years ago, right? One of the first places to start is going to be some static balance exercises. Static in the sense of we're standing in one place, okay? Dynamic in the sense that I'm actually going to have her start to reach for some cones or some targets to challenge a little bit of that balance, and again start to restore some of that balance and stability back at the ankle and give her confidence as we get into some of these higher exercises or higher skilled exercises and start to challenge that a little bit more. So the first exercise is just going to be a four-way stand and reach. So let's say that my left ankle here is the ankle that I've rolled. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stand in the middle of these four targets here. And then simply I'm going to reach back to tap one. And then I'm going to come back to the center. I'm going to reach out and try to tap that other, come back to the center, same to the front, tap, and then come back, and then same out to the side, tap, and come back. Now, ideally, I would like to be able to tap and then come back to the center without touching my foot. But obviously, if you're having some significant instability issues there, coming back, putting your toe down to the ground to restabilize is certainly fine, right? Over time, I think what you'll find is that your ability to be able to come back to the center without having to use that is going to improve, and so will your pain tolerance, your ability to reach further off of your base of support and still maintain some good balance will improve as well. So again, this is for my folks that are dealing with some severe ankle pain, maybe after a sprain or an accident, or if you're just dealing with some pretty bad ankle instability and want to start to build that back up over time to get you to things like your dynamic box jumps or dynamic lunges or skater lunges or something like that. So this is for ankle pain. My name is Dr. Cam with Ground Overhead PT. Guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and like our page, and I'll see you next time for your daily body armor.